Hey, what's going on guys? This is Kedar here. I was trying to play Roblox but it's getting this error. So basically Roblox can't start the game or app. What's really going on? Today in this video we'll be going to check out all the details. And most importantly, is the Roblox hacked, blocked or what's really going on? Let's check it out all the details. Alright, right over here onto the down detector. Here you can see as of recently there are increased outage reports, 475 outage reports. As of right now, just I'm doing this video. Definitely there is some outage going on, and let me show you right over here onto the Twitter. And here you can see guys, Roblox multi-billionaire dollar company can't fix this error, has to do with poor scripting and server managing. Check this out. 17 minutes ago, anyone else getting the error, net error, cert common name invalid when you try to load up the roblox.com. This is the error this fellow is getting guys. Do let me know, is this the same kind of error are you getting? It says error Roblox. Check this out. I wanted to join the game but my error can't let me do that. So definitely guys, Roblox is getting errors from many people. So do let me know, is this the same scenario? Now let me show you all the latest details right from the Roblox Twitter official page. Do we got any update? And let's check it out. Alright, so right over here onto the Roblox Twitter official page, let's check it out. Is there any latest update? As of right now guys, as you see, there is no recent update. Alright, so let me show you the Roblox server status. And here you can see guys, there are some things going on. So just updated few seconds ago. Here you can see we are investigating the issue and there is a service disruption for all the platforms pretty much. So you can see mobile app, Xbox, PC, PlayStation, everything pretty much, and they are investigating this issue as of right now. This is the latest update. So guys, once I get any latest details, as of right now there are no details regarding when the servers will be back up and running, but people are getting this error. So do let me know guys, what kind of error are you getting? Make sure to hit that like, share this video, subscribe, and this is Kedar from How To Guys. See you in the next video when I get a new update.